Hello friends, welcome to Excelytics. Today we are going to see another video on what we should not do in Excel. So let us begin. Here I have two workbooks. The first one is saved in .XLSX format and the second one is saved in .XLS format. So the .XLS is the older version and .XLSX is the newer version. So let us compare these two workbooks. Under .XLSX, if I go to Insert tab, we have slicer, sparklines, 3D maps and add-ins. Whereas if you go to .xls format, maximize the window, and if you go to Insert tab, you can see slicers, sparklines, 3D maps, add-ins are disabled. The reason is that this is a older version. So most of the Excel users tend to save in .xls format. So instead of saving in .xls, if you save in .xlsx format, then we can have more advanced features in Excel. We hope this video will help you in your day-to-day work. Thanks for watching this video. This is created by Team Excelytics. Join Excelytics to excel in analytics.